welcome back to the channel. So Android is a word that everyone is familiar with. Android is a mobile operating system that is developed by Silicon Valley company. Later it is acquired by Google in 2005. So in this video we are going to see top 5 Android tutorial and courses through which you will learn to build an Android application. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe to the channel. The first course that I will suggest is the complete Android developer course. The course provider is a Udemy. Almost 97,668 students have enrolled in this course. The last update on this course in March 2017. It is available in English. So through this course you will learn to build an Android application from scratch. You will understand the concept and technique used in creating an application. You will learn how to handle the database, how to store the data into the database for an Android application. If you go in a detail, there are 17 hours on demand videos, 9 articles, 2 downloadable resources, full lifetime access. You can access from mobile and TV, and you will get a certification on completion. The cost of the course is 455 INR, and it is frequently changed based on Udemy policies. So yeah, this is the course that I would recommend if you are a beginner and if you want to learn intermediate level Android, if you want to learn advanced Android, then this course is just best for you. The second course that I will suggest is Android App Development Specialization. The course provider is Coursera. Almost 85,000 users have already enrolled in this course. There is a 100% online course. It is a beginner level course, so no knowledge is required prior to this. Approximately 5 months it will take to complete, and Coursera suggests you to go for 4 hours per week. It is available in English. If you enroll in this course, you will learn Java programming features, Android Studio tool, Android activity component, material design, file input output, data persistence, unit testing, and software patterns. So this is the course that I will suggest that if you are new to the Android app development and you want to learn Android app development, and you want to create a project with the help of Android app development, then this is the course. This is the best for you. In this course also teaches you how to create a beginner level project in Android app. So if you want to learn how to create project, then this is the course is just best for you. The third course that I will suggest is developing an Android application. This is the course offered by Google. This course is absolutely free. You will get 60 hours of videos, and this course is the intermediate level. If you know the basics of Android app development, then you can choose this course. It is absolutely free. You will not get a certification. The course provider is Udacity. You will work with instructor step by step to build a cloud connected Android app. This is just a best course for intermediate one. If you are a beginner, if you know basics of Android, then this is course best for you. And it is the cherry on the cake is that it is a free of course. You can enroll anytime. So this is a course that I will suggest to go through it because it is offered by Google. The fourth course that I will suggest is Understanding Android Application Basic. The course provider is Pluralsight. The level is a beginner. The last update on the course in August 2019. The duration of this course is 4 hours 15 minutes. Through this course, you will understand Android application basic. You will get a better understanding of Android application basics. So if you want to clear your concepts of Android base application basics, then this course is best for you. Pluralsight also provide a 10 days free trial over which you can choose this course for free for 10 days. You can learn this course over 10 days, and you can think if you want to buy this course or not. So you have to just sign in and just give a normal information to Pluralsight, and they will provide you the 10 days free trial over this course. The fifth course in our list is Android App Development Certification Training. The course provider is Edureka. The price of this training is 13,500 INR. This is the 5 week of training, Saturday, Sunday, each day 3 hours of training. You will get a live interaction with educator. You can ask your doubt at the same time. So if you want to who really want to clear your concepts, and if you really want to learn Android Studio, then this is the best training in the market. You will also get the certification after the completion of training. They will also provide it, they will also help you to create a project. You can download the curriculum over here, and you can go through the curriculums, what are the topics that they will Edureka course will cover. So these are the top 5 courses that are currently on demand in the market. If you want to read this article, I will put the link in the description box below. Here you can check out all the courses, and if you want to go through all the courses, all the 5 through courses, I will put the link of all 5 courses in the description box below. You can check out there. If you haven't liked this video, please like this video, comment your thoughts. You can share this video with your friends, with your school friends, with your college friends, with your teachers, and with everyone who want to learn Android app development. Will you see you in next video?